What's up? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and if this is your first video, then welcome. So this the deal, y'all. I found this wig at my local beauty supply store, and this baby was only $40. This wig was so easy to install, y'all, and I am not a professional hairdresser, but I definitely wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. All of the products used will be linked in the description box below. Now, if you love the way that this wig is looking, then make sure you watch until the end of this video. Now let's jump into this install. Alright, you guys, so this is the HD laced crimped hair wig, and this is in the color 1, so that means it's jet black. And this is what the packaging looks like. I just have this on because my braids is looking a little dusty, but that's why we're here. There are these elastic and adjustable bands here in the back. Also 2 combs at the front. So for powder, I'm going to be using this Estee Lauder face powder, and this is the double wear matte powder foundation, and this is an 8-in-1 espresso. I'm going to take that with this Flawless Face elf brush, and it's a pretty fluffy brush. I like to add the powder a little further back just because it allows me to get that seamless color instead of it just being colored right up here in the front. I'm just adding it to this portion, which is the hairline portion, and then the part isn't that large, so I'm just gonna add it here as well. Oh baby, yes. I don't know what it is about jet black on me, but jet black is it, honey. Jet black is me, and I am she. The ends are a bit tangly, I'm not gonna lie, but usually with synthetic hair, the ends tend to be a little choppy about that. And then there are baby hairs here, but I'm gonna see how that's gonna work. The hair is still soft, don't get me wrong, you guys. So the hair is soft, I can't complain. The wig construction is good, it lays flat. The part itself is really bomb. I like how deep it goes back. Do like this. Let me show you guys the back. So this hairline obviously isn't plugged. Well, it is a little pre-plugged, but there's still some room for baby hairs. More than like you guys, so I am back. I have successfully chopped all that excess lace off of this wig. So now the drama, what I realized is that I put a single braid right here, and it's really bugging me. I'm going to take a smaller brush just like this one, and I'm going to go in. So now I'm going in with this double-sided brush comb, and this is pretty much what I use to do my edges. I'm going to spray the brush in. Make sure that the edges and the baby hairs of this wig are completely separated. Time to just do a little bit more customizing, aka this part. And I also want to cut this a little more even. I'm not really feeling the whole asymmetrical thing. Mind you, y'all, I am not a cutter, but when I want things done, I gotta do them. Alright, y'all, so now that I have tweezed out a little more here in the center, I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer pot. Now this part is a little too wide in the front, so what I am going to do is I'm going to go in with some mascara. back. I can leave this side if I want to. This wig is definitely a bang from my buck, honey. Most definitely. I would throw this wig on if I just need something to tie me over in between hairstyles. The lace on this unit is really, really good. The cut isn't too bad. I think I'm still gonna end up cutting this a little shorter, but I am feeling the asymmetrical. Y'all, I'm still amazed at how good this wig came out. Thank y'all so much for vibing out with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think down below. Make sure that we're following each other on Instagram so that way you can see all of my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video.